Guys, let's build a landing page using AI today. So let's say I want a website, an e-commerce website that sells cabinets, and I want to build a landing page using AI. So first of all, I'll go on ChatGPT and tell it what I want. I tell it my prompt. I want to design an e-commerce website that sells cabinets, and I want you to act as the project manager for this project. List all pages and user flow needed. I'm going through this journey of explaining what I want to ChatGPT so it can understand me and give me a proper prompt to use. I would like you to use modern trendy UI styles for this website. I am telling ChatGPT this so it can tell Stitch to tailor my website to a very nice looking one. So okay, it has a lot. Now we're going to tell it to now generate a prompt for Stitch AI to design the landing page. Now we have a very clear prompt. So what do? We copy this prompt and give it to Stitch AI. Control C. Stitch AI is an AI that gives website design. Basically, you could have mobile versions or web versions. But since I'm working on an e-commerce website, you're going to click web and you're going to paste your prompt and just give Stitch AI the chance to do its work. So you see, it first designs the color palettes, then it's going to generate the screen. As long as you follow my prompt instructions, you should be able to easily get this. And the sweet thing about this is you can actually edit it from here. Most times you can change it to dark mode if you want, leave it as white mode. You can even change the curve. I prefer something more curvy. I don't want to straight. So like this. I don't want it in dark mode, no. Colors are they're alright. And then you save. So now the landing page is being designed. And here you have it, your landing page. So how do you use this? Because we've generated it. Now what? Now you can copy this by clicking more. And you can copy it to Figma. You could export it. You can view the code. You can download it. So as a web designer, you might just want to copy it to Figma. Okay. So now I've copied it to Figma, and all I have to do is go to Figma, and then you paste it. And there you have it, your full design right on. Okay, here we have it. This is Cabinet Cool. Look at the navbar, the new page, shop now, lookbook. Everything looks really nice. Really, really nice. Um, Science stories there. And your footer, your full landing page in less than a few minutes, just with AI. Now, how do we edit this? It is all completely editable. You can change. All you just need to do is hold down Control and click and you can change kitchen to anything you want. Let's say we don't want kitchen, we want bed. Bed. Thank you for watching.